way. Like I kind of anticipate it. Like I don't like react to it. I don't listen to it. I know it's about to come. I'm ready for it. Like I know I'm ready for it. Like I'm not waiting for it to happen. Like it's gonna happen in the next like half second. Just as soon as I hear anything, I'm gone.
All right, welcome back to another episode of the Reason Being podcast. Today we have a special guest, probably the fastest man in Iowa, definitely the fastest man in the Big Tens, right? Big Tens, right? Not Big 12, right?
Big
Yeah,
times, yeah.
yeah, yeah. Mr. Kalen Walker,
What's
welcome,
going
bro.
on, man? Thanks for
Bro, I had
having me.
to, I had to pull out this number, bro. This is the only shirt I have from Iowa that's not like Nike branded. Like, yeah, this is the only one. I love it though. It's like
Yes,
I don't
sir.
remember, I don't remember how I got it, but like I got it. I got it.
How long did you run here? You ran here for
2 years, but I was there for 3 years.
gotcha,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
gotcha.
So yeah, not
I
that
still see
long.
your name on the record board.
I hope it never goes away, bro.
Yeah, I might this year. They got some dogs in the
Yeah,
200.
nah, they're not getting that, bro. I know that for a fact. Wait night. I'm just playing. I'm not gonna say he told me that he's not getting that, but like, nah. Yeah, I hope because what's the name? Mari is gone, right? The 400. Genoa got
Mhm.
that. That might
Yeah,
take a little while to break that. Yours
yeah,
might take a
no.
little while to break yours. Like,
Yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. We got some sprinters coming in
you
now.
think so?
Our sprinters that we've got this year are definitely the best recruits we've had in a while, for sure. We got some dogs.
So when you
Yeah,
were coming into Iowa, where'd you think you stacked as a recruit?
I didn't know really because I wasn't anything too crazy when I was at junior college.
Yeah.
Like 6'8" and like 10'6", like 21'5". So I had really like grown a lot. I knew I was improving a lot, but I didn't. You know, when you improve a lot, like you don't really know where you fall until you
Yeah, yeah,
race.
yeah.
So I mean, I felt like I was doing good in practice, and then once I got out to the first meet, then I really started to see where I was at.
Crazy. So let me ask you, like, why'd you choose like track? Because I saw that you did like football and I think basketball. I was in baseball.
Yeah, I did everything. I did football, basketball, baseball. I mean, I think I didn't really have the opportunities. Like I was at a small school, and I'm not like 6'5", like
Yeah,
220. You know what I'm saying? Like, so those guys they'll get recruited regardless because they got
yeah,
the
that's
frame.
true.
But
Yeah.
I'm like 5'8". I was
You
like
5'8"? I thought
130
you
in
were
high
like
school.
5'9".
Nah,
Oh shit.
nah.
Okay.
I'm like, yeah, I was probably closer to 5'7" than I am 5'9".
Oh shit. I wouldn't have guessed that. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I wouldn't have guessed that
Yeah,
shit.
I get that a lot. I talked to somebody. He thought I was like 6'2". I don't know
You
where you
stand
thought that.
tall. You stand tall, bro. That's really what it
Yeah.
is.
Well, yeah, I have to. I can get the ladies, man. You know what I'm saying?
Ah,
I got a
yeah.
girlfriend now, so I'm good.
Okay.
You know,
Nice cover.
you
Nice
got to
cover.
learn how to get there. You know.
Yeah, I feel that. So you always did like the 100 and 200 because you said fuck, screw it.
Yeah, I mean, that's really what I enjoy. I don't even really like running that much, but I think like sprinting is like it doesn't really feel like running. It's more like just like like a like a single rep, like power, show how fast you are, and you're done.
Okay,
Like you know what I'm
explain
saying?
that a
I don't
little
know,
bit,
like
bro.
well, like I feel like if you're a distance runner, you gotta really love running.
Yeah.
You gotta do it a lot. But like as a sprinter, I don't really run like that much. Like it's more about me like getting strong, getting powerful, and then just focusing on my technique. Like you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So like how far do you go when you're like training? Because you've ran 6'4", was it 6'4" or 6'5" That's what it is?
651. That was a couple years
6'51".
ago.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it wasn't a couple years ago. It was like what, like a year ago, 2 years ago?
It's 2024. Yeah.
That was 2024?
Yeah.
That feels like it
I
was like
redshirted last year.
oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
okay. So yeah,
Tech
like
Tech, yeah.
so what did you do? What do you do like in practice?
We do a lot of like flies and like max velocity stuff. We do like longer runs too, like if we want to do like a tempo day or something.
Yeah.
Or like if we go like for outdoors and we have to get up to like the 100 or like maybe touch some 200s, then we'll
Mm,
do some like 150s or, I mean, I've done a couple of 200s or 250s before in practice. But really, I mean, a lot of it is just like being powerful and like hitting those max velocities once or twice a week, making sure I have really high quality, good,
yeah.
high intense days, and then just staying healthy. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. So was it like the
So
same thing in like in high school to like Iowa?
my high school, we didn't really like, I, I won't say like we didn't really like. about track because there was people that cared about track,
Yeah.
but like I was, I mean, out of my class, like we might have had like 3 or 4 kids go out for track. You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
I was at a small school anyway, so I guess maybe that was just like a normal number. But like, I don't know. We had like I feel like I had a different coach like every year. I had
Mm.
one coach that was pretty consistent, but she was more of like an 800 coach at the
Ah.
time. So like I feel like I had to do a lot of learning and kind of growing on my own a little bit. So once I got to college, then I started to actually learn about like the training and how it works.
Yeah.
So then I started to learn more about that. So
So
it
when
was
did
it
you?
was quite a bit different.
So did you like? Was it because you ain't had like that much exposure in high school? You went to JUCO because you went to Indiana Hills, right?
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it might be part of that, but also I didn't really have like the times. I ran
I
ten
mean,
nine one time.
okay, I see what
I
you're
was
saying.
like
Yeah.
I was like 22.5 on in the 200, and I didn't have my senior year either because of COVID.
Yeah,
So
I
that might
saw
have helped.
that.
I wasn't doing any of the AAU stuff or anything like they do in like
Yeah,
or
those.
something. I
Yeah.
was doing all 4 sports. I was like when I was in basketball season, all I cared about was basketball. I didn't really care
Mm,
about track like that. When I was playing
yeah.
football, all I cared about was football. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
I feel like if I wanted to like focus on track more, maybe I would have got more exposure. But I was
So
just having fun playing with
so
sports with
wait,
my friends,
what
really.
was your like high school seasons like? Like, let me see. Let me talk to me how you went through like the basketball, football, stuff like that. Like month to month. Like, what was it?
Yeah. Well, football was in the fall. Pretty much right after baseball season got done, we started like lifting for football,
Mm,
and then football would go all the way through like October, uh, maybe November, and then we got right into basketball like literally like the next week, right after the
damn.
last game, and then we started playing basketball games, and then there's like some indoor meets like sprinkled in there, like you could go unattached. I went to like a couple, like I don't know if they had Iowa games when you were at Iowa.
I don't even know. No.
It
What's
was
the
like
Iowa?
that's like a
What is Iowa games? Is it with the Iowa State and them? No.
no, Iowa games is like all coming, like all comers. It's not like a college meet or anything. Like it's just like
Probably.
whoever wants to come. They got like you can be like 8 years old, you can be like 80 years old. You know what I'm saying?
Probably.
You
I
can
don't
enter
even
and
know.
run. Yeah. Well, I ran that meet during basketball season, so I guess that was kind of a prep for track. And then right after that, we get into track season, and it's cold. Like we were like starting in like
Yeah.
March in Iowa. You know how that is. Yeah, it's cold. It's cold. And then, get to like April, May, then we get done with that, start baseball. So
You
it's
know, you
always
you
something.
look more like a baseball player than you do a track guy because you have like a chiseled chin, bro. Like,
I,
you know what I mean? Like, you know what
I'll
baseball look
take that,
like.
I guess.
Yeah,
Yeah.
baseball, they got like this, like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, bro. Like, they look, when you see somebody play baseball, they look like they play
They
baseball. You
look
know
like,
what I'm talking
yeah,
about? Yeah,
I see what you're saying.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
I've actually heard that before. I love baseball. Baseball is one of my favorite sports, really.
So do you play that now? Or you just like for fun or nothing?
I mean, I'll do like batting practice or like play catch, but
Mm,
I don't really do anything now. Like track is, I feel like just consumed my whole life. Like
really?
I don't really do anything. Like it's
You
crazy.
say you don't even like it, so how's it consuming your life?
Well, okay, I love track. I love
Yeah,
sprinting. I don't really love running. Like if you tell me to go run a mile, I would hate that. Like that
yeah,
would not be
okay.
fun to me. But I love the idea of like 100 meters. Like I'm gonna try to like improve and see how fast I can get. Like over time,
Mm,
I'm gonna chase my PRs over and over and over again. I love like winning, but I just like the running part of it's not the fun part to me. You know what I'm
okay.
saying?
So let me ask you then, since because I wanted to ask you like this later, but I gotta ask you right now, bro. When you got the shit to run at Kinnick, bro, how the hell did that come up, boy? Like that shit was crazy, bro. That shit
That
was
was crazy.
crazy. That shit was
Well,
crazy.
my dad like came up with the idea. I feel like that's common. Like people talk about running the 40, da 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 da, but it never
Yeah,
really goes anywhere. But I had like been working with like some of the event management staff for like my major. We had
yeah,
like some field experience, so I had like knew some people that could like get me connected.
yeah.
So like I kind of pitched them the idea. They loved it. So then they started to work on it, setting it up, and Yeah, actually, we got it worked out so that I ran the 40 on the same week that we like we're doing testing at practice. So I didn't even
Oh,
like pull back or anything. We were already like getting ready to test. So
yeah,
I didn't test. I just did the 40 instead.
yeah. That's cool.
So yeah, it
That's
was awesome. They had it all set up for me. We got the little Broward timing system out there.
yeah.
It was great,
How
man. It
that
was great.
feel, bro? Because like I don't know if you're gonna ever like experience a stadium like that outside of like Oregon or maybe like Europe, bro. Like that
I
shit
don't
was
know because
that
it's
shit
like
was
70,000 people. I was like
yeah.
looking at the capacity of like these different stadiums. I probably wouldn't see that many people watching me since until like the Olympics or something
That's
if
what
I
I'm
ever make it.
saying,
That's like
dude.
it's crazy. It's crazy.
Did you feel like pressure, like you was gonna fold, like slip or something?
I didn't at all. I was not trying to think about it at all. Like there were so many
Mm,
things that could have gone wrong.
true, true.
Looking back, I'm like, I don't know how I didn't get nervous or like say I slip or say like bad weather or something.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't.
Mm,
It was like 50 or 60 degrees. It wasn't so bad. Like, but like, or if I had like a headwind, that would have made it like I would have ran like a
mm,
4.4 or something.
yeah.
Like
So
if I would have ran a 4.3, made track look bad as a whole.
yeah, you think they know? You think they like know the difference?
In what?
Like the football fans, you think they'll know like, he runs track, so it doesn't. You know what I mean? Like we don't really care about the 40 type thing. Like I get like the
Well,
4.3 and whatnot, but like you know what I mean?
I feel like they expect the track people to be faster because that's what we do.
True.
But like the 40, like that's a football thing. So that's what they compare it to. Like
Yeah.
if you said like a football player ran like 10.3, they wouldn't understand how fast that is.
True. True.
You know what I'm saying?
True.
Because they don't really know like track
Yeah.
like that. Like we would, obviously.
Yeah. 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 Damn, that
Yeah.
shit. That was cool, bro. Cause I'm like, not many like track athletes get to perform. Like you get to go to the stadium and like you were like what all academic or whatever you wave and blah
Yeah,
blah blah.
way.
But
Yeah.
like performing that,
Actually performing, yeah.
yeah, that
I
was
would love to
crazy.
see more people do it because I ran fast, but like I feel like it seems a lot faster than it is because no track people run the 40. You know what I'm saying? I feel
Yeah,
like there's been several people that could have ran 4.1 or faster. Like that was in the middle of fall training. I ran that. Like
yeah,
if people really wanted to see how fast they could run, they could probably run way faster.
yeah. No, I feel that. You ever seen that guy? What's that shit called? Like Frosty or something like this? The baseball dude that raced these
Oh
people.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Would
I
you
know what
ever
you're
do
talking
that?
about. I don't know, man.
Not right now,
I don't
like you know what I mean, but
like afterwards,
yeah.
man. Maybe shoot, they would have to pay me or something because
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. No, 100%.
I feel like getting in the ozone suit that looks stupid, bro. Like that's his thing, but like,
Yeah,
man, I don't know if I could ever do that.
yeah. No,
Like I could
that's
race people,
yeah,
but
but not
I don't
that.
know.
I
It
feel
would
like
be
I
too
feel like
crazy.
I feel like that's I don't know. Maybe I'm just like judging. Like that's you, bro. Because like you are powerful, man. Like you
I
are
could definitely do it.
crazy
Like
powerful.
physically, I could do it for sure.
Yeah, but
I don't know
like,
if I got the showmanship for it really. Maybe
what
I
you mean?
do.
You perform in front of 70,000 people, bro.
That's true. That's
What are
true.
you talking
That's true.
about, man?
That's true.
Like,
That's true. All right. Yeah, you got a point. All right.
yeah, yeah. Come
That's true.
on, man. You gotta give yourself some credit, man. Like
That's
that's
true.
yeah, that was
Maybe you should
crazy,
do it. Maybe you should do it. You're a
bro.
social media guy.
Dude, listen, you know what my PR in the 60 is? Guess. Take a guess. Take a guess. My PR in the
Wow.
200.
Like
Yeah, take a guess. Take a guess. Let me hear it.
you ran 20.6 indoors. I know because I see it on the board.
Yeah.
I don't know what your PRs are outside of that, but I would assume you're in like that 6, 7 range.
Hell no. 6'7", nigga, 6'9", bro. Like my PR,
What?
bro. I can't accelerate for
How do you
shit,
run 20.6 and
bro.
6'9"?
Listen, ask weight night. It's the weirdest thing ever, bro. I cannot get out of the blocks for shit, bro. So that's why I'm here for you to tell me, nigga. How the hell you get out of the blocks, bro? Because like I cannot do it. I literally cannot do it. I cannot do it. I promise you. I promise you. It's like it's crazy, bro. I don't understand. Like I have to like say when I was running the 200, bro. You get off the curb for me, and I'll pass you in the
Yeah.
straight. Yeah,
Mhm.
I can't. I just can't. I don't have that in me. I
Yeah.
don't have. Yeah, like
I
how you
feel
got
like
it.
a lot of the reason why I'm good at like out the blocks is because like I feel like I'm really strong for my body weight. Like I weigh like 145 pounds right now.
Really?
Yeah.
How much you
But
clean?
I'll be like, my PR is like 275.
One
I
rep?
rep I rep 245 last week for three.
Shit. Yeah, you're kind of strong.
For like 145, that's pretty strong. So I feel like
Yeah.
I got a lot of power for my weight. So I think every single step, I just carry my weight so much farther than people.
Mm.
So I think that's how I think that's why I have a good start.
So did you like notice that when you was like playing football?
Yeah, I think I was always a good accelerator, but it was always hard to tell because I was playing like with some bums. Like
I
I was
mean,
like small school in Iowa. Like, you know what I'm
yeah,
saying? So like it was just like some farm kids really.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I never really had to play really good competition. Actually, I played Caden Weegan in high school once.
Oh, for real?
You know who that is?
I know the name. I don't remember the face, so I feel like I know the name.
He was like the top returner for football in the whole country this year. He got like the award for like number one returner.
Oh, for real?
You should look up his highlights. Like he's
Yeah, I
crazy.
gotta look that up. What's his name? Kaden what?
Caden Weegan.
Yeah, I'll look him up for sure.
Caden Wetden.
Yeah.
Yeah, I played him in football and ran against him in track too.
But you,
Actually, so we were just
yeah,
looking at this the other day. So in my high school state final, the 100 and the 200, we had me, him. He was like first team All American returner. We had
yeah,
Cooper DeJean and then another one of my teammates, and we were in
yeah,
like the small school class. So it was like a stacked, like for like small school Iowa, that was like
yeah. I know what you mean.
stacked.
I know what you mean. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I know
so it
what
was
you
a
mean.
crazy heat. I was looking at the other day. It's
Who
pretty
won that
crazy.
one?
My teammate, his name is Joe Stein. Yeah, I man,
What
I gotta show
happened?
you the video. I got busted, man. I think I
For
ran like
real?
11.5 or something.
Damn. Was it
Yeah, it
cold?
wasn't. It was a headwind. It was. I
Uh,
think it was decent weather. The in the prelims, I ran my first 10 ever. I ran
oh,
10.9 in
nice.
D2. Yeah,
Hell yeah.
I
So,
choked this. I
so
choked so bad.
you don't like the 200 at all? You just like the straightaway?
I do. I love the 200. Coach won't put me in it, bro. I'm telling you, he just doesn't put me in it.
Why
He
not?
recruited me. He recruited me as a 200 runner.
Mmm.
Coming into Iowa, I was like 10.6 and 20.9. Like 20.9 was definitely like the better mark, I feel like.
Nah, I feel like 10.6 is way better, bro. What are you talking about?
No, it's 10.6 at the time.
Yeah, 10.6
10,
and 20.9. I'm taking 10.6 for 20.9.
really?
Yeah.
Dude, I feel like
20.9 is basically 22, bro. 10.6 is like 10.5. Like,
20.9?
oh, 20.9. I'm tripping.
20.9. 20
My
point. Yeah, I
bad.
ran 20 point.
My
20 point.
bad. Oh,
No, yeah, 21.9 is crazy.
that
I
wasn't
wasn't doing
adding
that
up.
well.
How you run 10.6 and 20.9?
I think I was just better at the 200 at the time. And then like once I got to Iowa, I really started to take off from like the 60 and the 100.
Yeah.
And then I had some injuries, so I couldn't get the
Yeah.
training to run the 200. And then like I just kept developing the 60 and 100. The
Yeah.
200 is just kind of taking a back seat.
Yeah.
I want to run one at some point. I've been running some nasty 150s in practice. I
What
would
you
love to run.
what you been hitting? I don't know if you want to talk. I don't know if you want to talk. You don't gotta say, but you know what I mean. But like,
Well, this fall I think I ran 14.7 in the 150 hand
oh,
timed.
indoor?
No, outdoors. It was in the fall. It's in like
That's smooth.
October.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, October,
Hell yeah.
November, something like that. But last year I was hitting 14s like every single week.
What's your
So
300 time? Do you run that?
I haven't ran it.
No.
No, I haven't ran it probably like 7 years, 6 years, probably since high school.
Woody?
Yeah,
Woody don't get you 300s?
nah, never. I haven't
Oh
ran over 150 really at all this year, outside of like the tempo, like fall training stuff on the fields.
yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
he is a totally different training than when you guys did. I think
I
he
I
was.
I've heard. I've heard.
Yeah, I think he's learned a lot.
Yeah. That's
He's
good.
very like adaptive. Like he like I feel like he just like if he like fails at something, I feel like it eats at him. He like tries to figure out like the solution.
I mean, he's the head coach, bro. Like he can fail. You know what I mean? If he fails,
Yeah,
like he feels that. You know what I mean?
yeah, yeah. He cares too. Like I feel like it really eats at him like crazy.
Yeah. No, he's a good dude. He never coached me though. It was more awake now. He literally never coached me like in nothing.
You were in Wake's group,
Yeah. Yeah. That's my coach, bro. Like he's the
really?
G. He's the G. Yeah. Yeah.
So did
I
he
don't think
recruit
he
you?
yeah. Actually like how he recruited me was that's one of the things I want to talk to him about the other day. Like next couple of days from now, I was like, dude, I was like, it was like 10 o'clock at night. This man was calling me like, I'm not your girlfriend, bro. Like, why are you calling me this night?
When he
Like,
was recruiting you?
yeah, 10 o'clock at night, bro. Cause I was at Juco that time, and I was getting up to go to work, and I was like, who the fuck is this calling me right now, bro? Like, this man called me at 10 o'clock at night, bro. He's like, yeah, man, this is Coach Wait Night from the University of Iowa. I was like, nigga. I mean, I listened to him and whatnot, but I was like, what the fuck are you talking about right
He's
now,
a
bro?
relentless recruiter, man. Relentless.
Relentless, bro. Yeah. But nah, he was the one that recruited me. And he didn't even give me a visit, bro. So I still didn't get no visit. I went to the meet there, and they were just like, yeah, you're on a visit now. Like, I ain't get nothing.
I didn't get a visit either.
You ain't get no visit?
Uh,
So what you do?
I
You
was
just
like
like
during
sign?
COVID and stuff. I just signed. Iowa was my
Damn.
dream. Iowa was my dream school. I walked on. I didn't have a scholarship. Yeah.
Wait, so you didn't win nothing at like Indiana Hills or nothing?
I was like, I barely made it on the 4x1 at Indian Hills. Like, I feel like my coach had to pull some strings to get me that, like at Iowa.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't even run 20 point until this, like after I signed. I was like still at like 21.5 at that time.
How you run 20.9 after?
I was just like, I just entered some summer meets just because I was like training really hard in the summer,
Yeah.
just because I was working hard or whatever, and I wanted to see where I was at, so I entered these meets, and I just got some good warm days and ran fast. I guess I don't know.
Was it
I
was
was
it in
doing a lot
Iowa?
of good training. Yeah, it was at Iowa State University, but it
Mm,
was like so Iowa in like the spring during track season, and then Iowa in like the like deep summer is totally
yeah.
different.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah,
Yeah, I know. Still don't miss it though. I miss the people, but don't miss the state. I'm good.
I don't blame you honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't even
it's pretty cold.
I don't even get why like Iowa is like your dream school, bro. Like you probably live down the road from them, bro. Like
Yeah,
it's
I
not
just
a
grew up here. Like it's my both my parents went here. All my
mm,
sisters go here.
oh.
So yeah, my sisters are in the band.
So
Yeah, well, one
why
of them
don't
is
you go to like
graduating
Iowa
already.
State?
I just want to go to Iowa. I love Iowa. Man,
Yeah, me
I've
too.
been watching I've been watching the Iowa football since I was a kid.
Yeah.
I literally as soon as I got the opportunity, I just like committed.
Nah,
Like,
I
you know what I'm
feel it.
saying?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just like it's just something about it. Like that to me, like that would be like you competing for Jamaica. Like
I see what you're saying.
they wouldn't have to pay you to go compete for Jamaica because that was
Yeah.
like that's like
Yeah.
where you're from. That's like
Yeah.
representing like you. That's like you.
I see
So
what
that
you're
was like
saying.
that for me. I probably care more about competing for Iowa than I do competing for the USA. You know what I'm
Really?
saying? Yeah, I just love it. I just love it here, man. I don't know.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
I
I think
like
also
that though.
I love being part of a team too. Like
Yeah.
when you go to like Team USA and stuff, it's just whoever qualifies. It's not actually a team.
Yeah.
I don't really like that as much.
I feel that. But like now, do you still feel like you're part of the team?
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm on the team.
You're on the team?
Yeah, I'm still eligibility. I'm competing indoors and outdoors this year.
What? Hold on. What? You said eligibility? Ain't no way.
Yeah, I'm competing in the uniform this weekend.
So
Yeah,
how you going to Milrose?
I'm just got. Well, I have an agent. I have an agent.
Yeah.
I have the same agent as like Tinch and like Anna Hall
Oh,
and there's other people too. I can't think of Andre
now,
DeGrasse. I think he signed with
yeah,
him.
I know you talking.
So
What's his name? Paul Doyle.
yep, Doyle.
Yeah,
Yep,
yeah, yeah. I know him.
yep,
Yeah, yeah,
yep. So I'm signed with him. So he hooked me up. I think and Mike and Woody helped me too.
yeah. Damn,
So
I didn't know your eligibility.
yep,
Oh
yep.
shit.
It's my last season, man.
We gotta talk about school then, bro. Hold up, man. Hold on, bro. Cause I was like, Nick, I'm trying to understand like the business of Kalen, bro. Like that's what I'm trying to get into. Like, but like, hold on, we gotta talk about school a little bit. Hold up, bro. Hold on. Let's talk about the injury a little bit, bro. What happened, bro? Because I seen it took you out for like a while. I think it was like two of y'all were hurt that year. That was the
Oh,
name.
last year?
No, the year. No, it wasn't last year. It was the year. No, you weren't.
There's been a couple. There's been a few injuries, honestly.
There's
That's how
one.
I got my eligibility. So
Really? There's one injury. I don't remember what injury it was, but how I found out about injury was Wayne. I don't know if you know Wayne. Wayne Lawrence. He used to go to Iowa. He told me about it. you were hurt for like the
Wayne.
whole year. You know, Wayne?
Yeah. I think that was probably my first year there then. So I had
Yeah,
a stress fracture in like my first meet outdoors, but I competed indoors just fine. But
yeah.
yeah, that's what I'm using this outdoor season.
Oh,
Yeah, that was my first year at Iowa. Yeah,
oh shit. What happened there? Was it like in your ankle?
that was just a stress fracture in my foot. So just I think it's because I had never really ran up a bank before,
Mm,
and that first year I ran a bunch of indoor meets. So
yeah,
I think just the stress of just running up the bank over and over again when I've never done it,
yeah.
and also probably just overworking it. Like I
I
don't know, it's probably a mix of. I mean, stress fractures are so tough because like it's like what causes it? Like it's not. It's like a bunch of things combined.
yeah. I
Get
mean,
stress.
the faster you run, the more likely to get hurt. I hate that logic, but that's really what it
Yeah,
is.
that's really
Yeah,
what it is. Yeah,
yeah.
I feel
I
like I
hate
have
that
to be
logic.
so careful right now. If I skip anything in my warm up, there's a really good chance I get hurt.
Are you feel
Like
like
I
do you feel
gotta
like you're
really be.
superstitious?
Nah, I don't think I
Not
am
really.
really.
Yeah.
Nah, I just feel like if I do what I need to do, I'm gonna be fine. Like if anything bad happens, like it's my fault. I had to have done something wrong. You know what I'm
Mm,
saying whether I like didn't sleep or didn't eat right or whatever.
yeah.
Like I gotta set myself up, whatever. So
So how do you feel like in your last year now, like knowing that like you basically have your foot in the door, like you already have an agent, you already have a name, all you gotta do is perform. How does
it
that feel?
definitely takes some pressure off. But I mean, I don't really have goals outside of like the NCAA right now. Literally, all I care about is competing for Iowa right now. And then after that, I'll focus on my pro career, whatever. But like while I'm still on a team, 'cause I love being on a team.
Yeah,
And after this, I'm never gonna be on a team again. Really,
yeah,
like I'm gonna have a group probably.
yeah. No, yeah,
It won't be like this. So
yeah,
I'm really just trying to like enjoy my time. And this year, I feel like I can really like chase some big goals. And the NCAA is gonna be tough. There's some really good sprinters,
dude.
so I'll have some good
There's
competition.
the dude from what's the name? Tennessee ran 6.49 out the gate. I'm like,
Yeah.
what's going on, man? Like this is crazy, man. This is
Yep.
crazy, bro.
Yep. And those two guys that they have, uh, that wasn't even the guy that made the world team. They have a guy that made the world team that got third place in that race.
Oh, the ball head dude.
Bald head dude. Yep.
He's still in college.
Mhm.
Ain't no, bro. I'm
Mhm.
out of touch. God damn.
So they have two 6'4" guys and then him.
Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, I
Yeah.
know
They're
Devontae,
pretty
but I didn't
stacked.
know the ball head dude was still in college. I thought he was like done.
Nope. He signed an NIL deal with
Mm,
who I think Adidas maybe Nike.
probably,
I don't
probably.
know, but yeah, he's still
Yeah,
in college. He competed the other day. They got the Auburn guys. The one
yeah,
Auburn guy was in the world final last year in the 100,
yeah.
so he's gonna be back. It's crazy, man. It's crazy because the NIL space is like it. I feel like it gives people a reason to stay in college rather than go pro.
Yes. Yeah.
They can get their degree, still get paid. They
Hundred
don't got to
percent.
worry about it.
hundred
Yeah,
percent. 100%. So you fuck with the NIL.
I do. I dabble a little bit,
Yeah,
a little bit.
yeah, yeah. I seen you
I do
with
my
what's
thing.
call it? What's that? I forget their name. The strength weightlift. The
Oh
gym.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Major Fitness.
Measure
Yep,
Fitness.
that's
How'd you
that's
get
my main
them?
one right now. I can't remember if I think they reached out to me towards the end of the season last year, and we were just working out different details. And then I just set it up so that I could post a couple times a month and get
Mm.
paid monthly. So then that pretty
Ah,
much covers like my living expenses right there.
yeah.
And then I have other stuff sprinkled in. Man, I should send you like the list of things I have to do right now. It's crazy.
Dude, I would like to see,
I'm
bro. I'm
just
trying to
swamped.
understand it, bro, because like, let me tell you who I've been. I don't know if you know. His name is Braylon. He's a freshman though.
Oh yeah, from Texas.
Yeah,
Yep,
yeah, dude.
yep.
He's been
Big
like
TikToker.
my guy. It's listen. It's the most annoying thing I ever seen in my life. I hate seeing them niggas just. They be just dancing, bro. Like just fucking practice, bro. Like cut the shit out. Like seeing it in real life and on TikTok, it's different, bro. It's like like in real life it looks so weird, but on the phone it's like, oh, okay, that makes sense. You
Yeah,
know what I mean?
yeah.
Yeah, it's weird, but like he's like showing me like how it works and shit, and then before it left, he was showing me like how he makes money from NIL, but like so you don't deal with like I guess not necessarily social media, like you deal with like real products, which is
Yeah, now I do really. I mean, when I was like younger, like a few years ago, I would do more like the content stuff, like I would try to make a video like edit, or I would post like tips or something. But then
Mm,
I just stopped. Like I don't know if I just got lazy or whatever. And then I started just posting practice videos and races.
yeah.
And then now, yeah, it's just pretty much all like ads. I feel like I've been losing followers because like every single video I post is an ad.
Uh, so like how much when did you realize you start gaining like a lot of followers?
I think it was after I started to. I did good in track. Um, I mean, I've been doing good every year, but like that one year I got runner up in the 60. That was a boost.
Yeah.
And then I've been like the Iowa fan base is really strong too.
I mean,
Like
you're also
that's
homegrown, bro. So like that's
exactly
even like, you know what
exactly
I mean?
yeah. I mean, I've been on the news several times.
True.
I host those clinics.
Yeah.
I hosted like five of them all around the state this year.
Oh, for
So that
real?
helps. Yeah, yeah.
Shit. Nice.
Do cool stuff like at Kinnick too. I mean,
Yeah.
that's obviously a huge boost. I mean, that still gets me followers now.
Nice.
So, and then I also
Nice.
like having like the YouTube stuff. I think the YouTube, like the long form stuff, and then people
Yeah.
get to know you, then they actually want to follow you. I think
That's
that's
literally,
been
bro,
helpful.
the whole point of like this podcast is so I can like, well, try to get like Jamaicans in, but like different demographic. It's kind of hard. So I'm trying to like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? But like, yeah, bro, like this social stuff is nice, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But all you post is like running videos and it just like works,
Yeah.
bro. How the hell does it just work? Like there's no caption. Like it's just like you do acceleration, bro. Like what the hell's going on there?
I don't know. I don't. Yeah, I'm not doing anything like too special. I think that because like if you ran on our indoor track, like it's like kind of hollow.
Yeah.
So like, because my legs are moving fast. I'm short,
Oh,
so like my
yeah.
legs are moving fast, and then you can hear like the
Yeah.
because of the track's kind of hollow, so it
Yeah.
looks like I'm just like pounding it.
Yeah. The
So
ground
I don't
contact.
know. And then I don't say anything. People start arguing in the comments about like da 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 da. It drives my algorithm. I think I just
Mm.
let them go.
That's
Yeah.
yeah, bro. Like, cause like I was saying, I don't know if I was saying before or whenever I started. Like Adam was showing it to me. Like you don't post, you don't say nothing. Like I used to hear it's
Yeah.
like about captions, hashtags, and stuff. You just post and leave, post and leave.
I think some of those captions will sound dumb though. Like I'd be like seeing some people post like a quote or something over
Yeah.
a picture, and I'm like,
How does it
somebody
relate?
who's not even said anything. Like I feel like it's kind of I think it's kind of like mysterious a little bit too. Like I see
Mm,
some other people start doing it. I kind of like it. Kind of like it.
yeah.
But yeah, I feel like I'm just lazy. Like I was like one day I was like trying to think of what I wanted to put in a caption. I was gonna post like a running video, just like
Yeah.
redoing a practice, whatever. I was like, I don't even know what to put. I'm just gonna post it. And then it got
Yeah.
like 500,000 views. I was like, all right, maybe this is the meta. So I started
Yeah.
doing it over and over again. And
Hell
then
yeah.
I don't know. I don't know why. But that's good. That's just
Shit,
how
nah.
it is.
It don't even matter. But bro, you gotta run some 200 this year, bro. If you're in college, you gotta run some 200s, man. Come
I
on.
want to. I literally, dude. I wish you could sit in on our conversations. I've begged this man to put me in the 200. Like he's putting me in a couple, but it's like one-off things. So I'll run like
Mm.
I haven't really had a chance to like because when you run the 200, I feel like you get better every time you run it,
Oh hell yeah.
and I just run it one time and I'm done with it. So I never really have a chance to really work at it.
Yeah.
And also like finding your pace, you can't just sprint the whole thing like as fast as
No.
you can.
No.
So I gotta find like where I need to like put my effort to.
Yeah.
So I haven't really had an opportunity.
What you think you would run the 200 if you ran last year?
If I was to like really dial in on like the 1-2 double,
Yeah.
probably like I think I'm fast enough to go 20.3, 20.2. But that's like you have to be fit for that, and you have to run a good race
Yeah.
and have good conditions too. Like conditions matter a lot.
True.
They matter a lot. But that's all. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna think I'm gonna do better than I probably will.
Of course. Of
But
course.
that's just being a sprinter. Really, every sprinter's got an ego, a little
Oh, of
bit.
course. You have to. You have to. You're a
Have to,
performer,
have to,
bro.
you have to, you
Yeah.
have to. Yeah.
Yeah. I hate like I don't want to say I hate. Hate is a strong word, but like I strongly dislike people that are like, no, I'm just humble with it. Like to me, like
As a
no,
sprinter,
no, that's like a football player being like not aggressive. Like, what are you talking about? The whole sport's aggression. Like,
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly. Exactly.
you need something else, bro. You need something else.
Also, you need to have the you gotta have the confidence to be like, I'm just the best. Like, and if I lose, like, that pisses me off. Like, I need to be the best.
True.
I feel
So
like
when you were
everybody's gotta have that.
so when you were hurt, did you feel like you lost confidence?
I mean, a little bit, because like you don't really know what you're gonna be like when you get back. But I
Yeah,
was still like doing workouts. I mean, there's always stuff you can do. Like you can
true.
strengthen
Like
your
treadmills
feet,
and stuff.
or yeah. I mean, like there's anything. Like there's always some stuff you can do. I was still doing workouts and stuff. Um, Actually, like especially that first injury that we were talking about, my stress
Yeah,
fracture.
yeah,
I really feel like I got faster after that because like at the time I had no top end speed. Like I was straight start. Like that's
yeah,
all I had. So when I had that stress fracture, I had a cast on my foot. I couldn't like walk or run or do anything.
yeah.
But I could do like these like hamstring curls, and I just hammered these hamstring curls. Like that was like
Oh,
my main thing. Like you would have like your sprint days. Like
yeah.
my sprint days would be like my hamstring curl days.
Oh
So I
shit.
just got to the point where my hamstrings were like insanely strong. I could
Fat.
do like
Yeah.
I could rep like 8 or 10 like Nordic curls with like a 45 pound plate. Like I was
Damn.
like yeah, I
Damn.
really dialed in on it. So then when I
Shit.
got back, I actually had some pretty good top end speed. Like it improved quite a bit.
Yeah. So it kind
Yeah,
of worked out in a
it kind of
sense. You
worked
know what I
out.
mean?
Like
Yeah.
you always gotta just find a way to get back and be better. Like you know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Like
Yeah.
if you just like sit and wait and just hope that you get back to the way you were, I feel like
Yeah.
it's very unlikely that you're gonna come back and be good.
True. Okay. So speaking about sitting and weight, bro. Like, how do you like work a 60? How do you work 100 compared to a 60? Like I said, I don't got to start, bro. So what? Listen, this is what Wake Night and Coach Rob, Coach used to tell me. React to the gun, don't listen to the gun. I listen to the gun. I don't react to the gun. It's just it's terrible. So that's why like my shit is like slow. Like I'm like, you're pow, then I go. You know what I mean? It's not like pow.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So like how do you like I guess react to the 100 compared to the 60? I was like same
Well,
weight.
I react kind of the same way. Like I kind of anticipate it. Like I don't like react to it. I don't listen to it. I know it's about to come. I'm ready for it. Like I know I'm ready for it. Like I'm not waiting for it to happen. Like it's gonna happen in the next like half second. I'm just as soon as I hear anything, I'm gone. You know what I'm saying? I'm
You
just
ever false
twitchy.
started before?
One time last year I did,
Okay, that's cool.
but
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
the only time I've ever false started. No, I don't guess the gun. I just know it's coming. I'm ready for it.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying? I don't
yeah,
really have to think about it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm pretty twitchy anyway,
yeah,
but really like the 60 is just like all out. Like, but also you got to be efficient too. Like you can't just spin your wheels. You know what I'm
yeah,
saying? So
yeah.
it's a tricky race. Like it's very technical and very powerful. The 100, you kind of have to pace yourself a little bit, just a little bit. If you sprint it
I don't
all out, then you fade at the end a little bit, and you
see. I don't really. I'm gonna be honest. Like I get all out in the 60, but I look at the 60 and the 100 as the same thing. It's just a little bit longer. You know what I mean?
yeah,
Like okay, like I
I could
guess
see you
like
think of that. Yeah.
yeah, it's because I run the 400. You know what I mean?
Mm.
It's a different mindset. But like, so you saying like you don't like turn over and stuff. So like, are you more like I don't know how to do it, but like, do you like what's the word? What's we call it split here at Texas Tech. You know, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
is it the same thing?
Kinda. Yeah. I mean, I've thought about that before. My biggest thing, I feel like I have pretty good like angles like naturally. I've never really had to
True.
focus on them too much.
Mm,
The biggest thing for me is like when I get up tall, it's just making sure I have big strides,
yeah,
and because I'm short, I just gotta make the most out of each step.
yeah,
But yeah, I don't really think about the splits as much at the start because I've kind of just had it
yeah,
always. I've never really had to really focus on it.
yeah.
I've been
So
pretty blessed with that.
do you like notice the toe drag as Coach Woody tried to like tell you like don't do the toe drag
He kind of just lets me do whatever I do. Really, that's what I kind of like about him.
as long as it
But it's
works.
like, yeah, he's like as long as it works, as long as it's not like stopping you. Because I don't even know why I do. I'm not trying to do it. Like it just happens. I only do it on one foot. Like
Yeah,
let me get these spikes right here. Let
yeah.
me show you this. Look at this. So only on one foot do I even have any scrapes on it.
Oh my
The
god,
other foot doesn't even touch the ground. Like
dude, you fucked those shoes up. What the fuck?
I know.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
And
Oh
it
my
happens
god.
with every shoe. Like I have to get multiple shoes every year.
Do you have an NIL with Adidas?
Nah, not
You
yet.
just oh,
Paul said he was trying to work on getting some at some point,
oh,
but
it'll
it
work
hasn't
out.
come through quite yet. Yeah,
Yeah. No,
I
Paul's a
think I
good
kind of
dude.
screwed my chances at NC's last year. I didn't run very good.
Yeah, cause you
Uh,
made the semis, right?
yeah, I made the semis and I just blew it. Yeah.
What happened?
Well, so I think it. This is what I think happened. So last year I redshirted indoors, right? So I didn't really have any like practice going into outdoors other than like meets.
Yeah.
Like I just got to outdoors and I'm running meets.
Mm.
So and then also we had our other sprinters like were pretty banged up at the time. So
Mm.
I only ran next to people at meets. I didn't run next to people at practice. I was only by myself.
Oh, yeah.
So normally it's fine. Like I get out on people and I never see anybody the whole time. It's fine.
Yeah.
But at NC's, I had a bad reaction to the gun. T-Mars got out on me,
Yeah.
and then I panicked and I tried really hard. Got up in first place, and then I burned all my energy. I started
Damn.
fading,
Damn.
and I just blew it. If I would have just not worried about it at all, and I
Yeah.
would just ran from like just being in seventh place at the start, I would have
Yeah.
been fine. I would have ran like 10:05 or something, 10:10. I would
Yeah.
have made the final.
Yeah.
But instead, I just panicked. I guess I just wasn't quite comfortable in that scenario yet. I had
Mm.
never really, nobody really got out on me at that point. So
Mm.
I think
I
that's what
mean,
happened.
yeah. It's kind of a shitty place to learn that lesson, though. But you know what I mean?
Yeah, it is. It is. It is.
Yeah.
I think this year we have a lot more sprinters this year, so I'm hoping I won't have to worry about that.
Yeah. You feel like you play a part in like the recruiting class?
I like to think so.
Oh, of course.
I don't want to
I
be
thought you
like
was gonna say no. I
cocky
was
or
like, you
anything.
being a dickhead if you didn't say yes, bro. Come on
Yeah.
now.
I mean, I'll be lying to you if I said no.
Yeah.
But like, yeah, a lot of like the big sprinters that are getting, I feel like they see the progress that I've made at Iowa.
True.
They've been following me or whatever, and they know who I am. So it definitely draws them in. I mean, we've had probably every single sprint recruit we've had this year would be like our best sprint recruit ever. You know what I'm
Nice.
saying? Like
Yeah.
it's been crazy this year. We have a true freshman that went 10-3, 20.6, and he split 45 on a relay
Damn.
from Ohio. We just signed a JUCO guy who went 10-11 and 20.6, I think. He ran 661 in December.
Oh shit.
Um, yeah, and he
Damn.
just got on the team. Like he had to finish up some credits or whatever,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
he wasn't on the team yet. And then we just signed the D2 runner-up in the 100. He ran 9.9 windy last year, 20.3. So I mean that's a pretty good recruiting
Yeah.
class. I feel like for 1 year of getting sprinters,
Yeah.
that's pretty good.
Hell
So
yeah.
it's like, and we got other guys too.
Yeah, I know what you
Um,
mean. Yeah. Yeah. I mean,
yeah, but
I
that's like the
thought you.
new guys.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna say like, nah, I don't feel like I helped out. Like, bro, you're like the best in Iowa. You probably have like the Iowa record, low key, bro. Do you think you have the Iowa record? Like,
I'm pretty sure I do. Yeah,
yeah,
I can't think
probably.
of any Iowa people that have ran faster. I
Yeah.
mean, I mean, if you count like Kenny Bednarik, because he was at Indian Hills for a little
Yes,
bit.
that's
He's from
true. See,
Wisconsin.
yeah, that's what I was saying. I wouldn't even count him for real. But
Yeah,
yeah.
I mean, if you count him, man, you should see the records at Indian Hills. Like, it's crazy. They put like the windy records too.
Really? Oh, that's bogus,
Guess
bro.
guess what the 200 record is at Indian Hills? Yes,
Outdoor, indoor,
outdoor.
19.6.
19.4, dude.
Who the hell ran
1949.
19.4?
Kenny. Kenny
Oh,
did.
bullshit. Bullshit.
Yeah, it was a windy
Bullshit.
race, but they put it up there anyway.
I mean, I
Yeah,
put it there. I ain't gonna lie. I would low key
I
put
would
it
put it there
there.
too.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
But nobody's ever touching that.
Yeah,
I can't see a scenario where they're going to get another guy that's going to run
yeah,
19.4, unless it's literally like a tornado.
bro. That's like when what's gonna call it? No shade to what's the name, and you don't gotta talk about this because I know you're American and stuff. What's the name? Ah, what's the dude name? The high schooler that ran 19.4 when he signed to Adidas.
Oh,
Yeah, I
Aaron
don't
Knighton.
think that was real, bro. That's just me. I don't think that was real. That's it is what it is. I don't think it was real, but
So why do you think that?
bro, because like he's never went close to it at all. And I understand, like, yeah, you don't gotta go close to your PR and whatnot, but like within ballpark. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
If you run
yeah.
something, you should be able to go at least a little bit close to it, bro. He
Hmm.
never went close to it again, bro. Like,
It seems crazy to me. Like I feel like there's some meets that just don't seem like real.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying? And
yeah,
it'd be like whole heats.
bro.
Like
Remember?
there was some like last year, like um, I don't know, like there was one meet last year where Texas Tech was there, and like
Yeah.
their best sprinter, I think, is it Kilmari? Somebody like
Kamar,
that?
who? Kamari.
Kilmari?
Yeah, Kamari. Yeah,
Yeah, he ran like 10:05 into like a two headwind, and I
yeah.
was like,
Listen,
that was like his PB. I was like, that doesn't seem right.
yeah. He's a different character. I ain't gonna hold you, man. He's Jamaican, so I ain't gonna speak
I'm not
on him.
saying he didn't
Yeah,
like.
I know what you
I'm not
mean. I know
saying
what
he's
you
not
mean.
that fast, but
Yeah,
like two headwind, I wouldn't expect anybody to PR. You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah. No, I understand what you're saying, but I think like how the gun works is like they say like whenever the gun pops, wherever the wind is going, even if it blows in your back after that, it doesn't count. It's whenever hits the record.
Oh, really?
That's I don't know if that's
I've
what it
never
is.
known how it works. I don't really
Yeah,
know.
that's what I heard. Like that's how it works. Like whenever the gun goes off, that's what they capture type shit.
Oh, shit. I
Yeah,
mean, man,
man. Or like when at the time when during COVID when Micah Norman and them ran 9, that shit was fake.
you don't believe it? I feel like you could get some really like, like you would have to take like an average, especially in the 200. You're taking a wind over like a 20-second race.
Yeah, like come
Like,
on, man.
what if the wind is like really quiet at the start, or like a headwind, and then it just flips in the
Exactly,
race?
exactly, man.
It's weird. The wind is crazy. The indoor
Yeah,
season's kind of fun because you don't have to think about that at
bro.
all.
Indoor is my favorite season, bro. Like because like for one, you know who are the dogs for real. The only thing I hate is like those fluky runners that run like this fast time one time and they get
Yeah.
in and then they just fucking poop the rest of the time. But like the dogs show out indoors, bro. Like you make
Yep.
indoor, you got it. You know what I mean?
You gotta be top 16. Yep.
Yeah, you
Yep.
got it. That's
It, and I don't know. No, just nobody cares about indoors. Like the money's not in indoors at all.
yeah.
Like I was talking to Paul, and he was like telling me like you can do whatever you want indoors, but it really doesn't. It's not gonna help your chances of going pro afterwards or
Yeah,
getting a deal. You really gotta come like outdoors and really kill it.
yeah. What's the name?
So,
Courtney Lindsay. His agent. I'm gonna get him on also Sunday. Sunday's gonna be a rough day for me, but like
sheesh.
he told me, no, Courtney told me when he won the 100 meters, that's what got him the money that he got. If he had won the 200,
Oh,
he
for
wouldn't have
sure.
gotten that. I like that to me is like weird because it's skewed so like I don't know. I want to say bad, but like it's like
Yeah,
it's
it's
200,
all
bro.
based off of yeah. I don't know, man. Like the 200, I think is one of the best events. Like
Yeah,
I would think it would be very, very, very similar, the
yeah,
100 and the
no,
200. But yeah, I'm still not really familiar with a lot of like the contracts and stuff in the pro space. I still have a lot
yeah.
of learning to do inside of that.
I mean, but you say take the year, bro. Like enjoy the last year, cause like
Yeah,
yeah, that's fun, bro.
yeah,
College is nice. College is fun.
nothing like it. I also love competing against like you go to a meet and like like a good school is gonna be there, or like like good competition is gonna be there. Like you don't gotta
Yeah,
like actually like go see the entries and like
true.
these individual people. Like I have no idea where the pros are running ever, really,
Yeah,
unless they
that's
post like their schedule ahead of time.
yeah. How do you feel about pros running with collegiates? You like that?
I mean, I like it as a collegiate, but like if I was a
As
pro, I would hate it.
oh yeah,
Like,
yeah,
because I feel like this weekend, like, or next weekend when I go to Melrose, like, I'm gonna be running against these guys. I have a championship coming up in like a month. They don't
mm,
have to worry about that until like September.
yeah. That's
So
true.
I feel like it's like if I was a pro, they would be getting me at my worst. So
Yeah.
like if I lost, then I would be like,
Damn.
damn man, like not much I can
Yeah.
do about that. Because like peaking is very real, like
Oh yeah. 100%.
very
hundred
real,
percent.
very real. If I'm peaking right now and I go get no allows when he's like in the middle of training,
Yeah.
obviously I'm gonna have a better chance to beat him. Not
True.
that doesn't
True.
mean I'm better than him.
I mean, but it looks like that though to like the
It does
non-fans.
look like that. Yeah,
Yeah.
nobody would know that. I wouldn't know that like 5 years ago. You know what
True,
I'm saying?
true.
I beat him. I'm better than him. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
yeah. And then you
But there's
just
more
go on
to it than
social
that.
media and talk shit, and then that shit blows up, bro. That shit blows up, bro. Oh my
Yep.
god. So did
Yep.
you feel like you were at peak when you ran 9-9? Was it 991? 991?
994. Yeah. I was
994.
like, I feel like I was entering my peak. Like,
Mm.
it's because I didn't run at all indoors. 5 meets outdoors last year, including Big Ten's end season, uh, NC finals.
Yeah.
So like I had 5 meets to like really peak. I felt like I was really about to enter my peak in the summer. Like I was entered in meets in the summer. I felt like I was gonna go kill it in the summer.
Yeah.
But um, I decided to go get my knee cleaned up because I had a knee injury last year. I was
Oh,
kind
for
of running
real?
through it in the outdoor season. Yeah, that's what I had indoors. Yeah.
Dang.
So I decided to take the summer and just get it cleaned up. I had a surgery like 2 weeks after NC's. I was entered in
Damn.
Ed Murphy Classic in Memphis, but I
Yeah.
had to scratch because I had the surgery literally like the
Yeah.
same day. So,
Yeah.
but I felt like I was about to go do some crazy stuff, like running like 9.8 mid or something like that. I felt like I would definitely could.
How
But
did it feel?
what, running 9?
Yeah.
It felt smooth. Like I feel like I ran better races, but like they were into like headwinds and stuff. Like I feel like everything just lined up that one day. Like I ran a good race, good conditions, and yeah, it just worked out well. I don't know, that was fast track too, so
Yeah.
everybody's running fast.
I feel like everybody that runs 9 says it feels normal, but like there's no way. Like,
Yeah, I don't know. Like it feels like you're just ready for it. Like it doesn't
yeah.
feel like you did anything different. Like you just, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know what you're saying. I really don't. But
I mean, it's the
yeah, yeah, I know what
same
you
as
mean.
like
Yeah, I know what
it
you mean. I know what you mean.
to me. It's like it felt the same as when I ran like 10.9.
That's
Like
crazy to me. I hear that too. That's crazy to me, bro. Because like,
yeah.
bro, whenever I ran a fast 200, a slow 200, I can tell you automatically, like, yeah, that shit was slow. That shit was slow.
I can tell if it's slow. It didn't feel slow. It felt good.
Okay, okay, I get you. Okay, okay, I get you.
Yeah, it felt
Shit,
like a
man.
solid race. I felt like I ran better in the round before that actually, but I just had
Mm,
like a 2.1 headwind. Ran like 10.2. But if I would have had like a tailwind that day, I would have ran probably 9.8 something. Like I was cruising.
yeah, shit, man. Was it after
Yeah,
the 9 that like Paul reached out to you, or before that?
I was signed with another agent last year
Mm,
at Trident Sports. I don't know if you've heard of them.
no,
Yeah.
that's okay.
Um, yeah, but I decided to go with Paul here this fall, so I decided to switch it up a little bit.
Yeah, no, he's a good agent. He's a
Yeah,
good
I've heard
agent.
some good
Yeah,
things. I'm really hoping it works out. Yeah,
yeah. I mean,
he's been
ultimately
really cool.
helpful.
Yeah, he's been really cool. Yeah, he's been really helpful for sure.
Ultimately though, it is on you. Like, it don't matter like who the hell the agent is. If you don't run fast, it
Yeah,
ain't gonna matter.
exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
like I'm not gonna be like if I don't get a contract, I'm not gonna blame it on my agent. Like I should have made the job easier.
True,
Damn near.
true. Do you think like NIL would provide enough for you to not need a contract?
Oh yeah, like I would be fine right now.
Okay.
I wouldn't. I could. I mean, I wouldn't be making a whole lot of money.
No, I know
Like,
what you
but
mean.
I could.
Yeah,
I could cover my living expenses right now and run track. Like I'm
yeah.
good.
Okay,
Like
yeah,
this year.
yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah, that's good.
So, but I mean, it's like work. I'll send you like the stuff I have to do like in the next like month or two.
Yeah,
It really is like when you add like school and then training and then the meets on there too.
yeah.
It gets to be a lot, really.
Really?
Because like a lot of times with the NIL stuff, because I don't have like somebody running my stuff. Like I
Mm,
pretty much handle all of it. I
yeah.
have a videographer who helps out
Okay.
quite a bit, and then Paul. I mean, I just signed with him recently. He
Yeah.
helped me get into Millrose. I feel like he's gonna do a good job helping me get into meets, but I've been doing a lot of like the NIL stuff on my own.
Yeah.
So like pretty much what it looks like is like you
It's
sign the
yours.
contract with them, and then like you have somebody like a representative of the company that you're
Mm,
talking to,
yeah.
and most of the stuff that I've done, you have to submit a script for like approval.
Ah,
So that you send in the script for the video, they look at it, send you it if there's any edits or anything, make the edits, get the
yeah.
final script. Once the final script's approved, Then you start filming. I have a videographer, so I have to align with him.
Mm.
So then once we get together, he makes it really easy. He's really good. Um, we film and then send that in for approval. And then once they tell us if there's any edits or anything, we make the edits, send the final product in, gets approved, then we post. You do
Oh
that for
my
2 or 3
God.
posts each thing,
Yeah.
you know.
That's
I
a
mean,
longer process than I
it's
thought it was.
yeah, it's a good amount of process. I think the smaller ones they don't care quite as much. Like
Mm.
I signed one recently for just a couple $100.
Yeah.
They don't give you even like any type of like outline or anything. They just like let you do
Free
whatever you
ball.
want.
Yeah.
So I don't really even like that. Like then it makes me feel like you don't even care who it is. You just need a
Yeah.
body. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
Dude, I work for
Like the
this
ones that
company.
actually like the ones that actually like will critique me and stuff. Then I'm like, okay, you actually want me to like represent the
Present.
company. I
Yeah.
actually feel like useful.
No, I definitely feel that. Like I'm working for this one company right now. Dude, if I threw no if, I mean I guess they I don't know if they'll ever see this, but like if I threw something on the wall, take a picture, probably put some words over it, it's gold. Like I can do whatever I want.
I mean, it's easy, but
It's
like
easy. No, it's easy, but it also feels
you kind
like
of wish it was harder a little bit, like at
yeah,
least a
like
little bit harder.
yeah, bro, like
Hey, can you go get my phone charger?
what are we doing, man? Like it's
Yeah,
like I get what you're saying. Like it just feels like, damn, am I just like a
like
robot
they
to you?
don't.
Like
Yeah, like
yeah,
they don't really care. I don't know, but it's easy money, I guess.
yeah,
Yeah,
nice.
I can't really complain about that.
Hell no, hell no, hell no, bro.
You probably get some sponsorships for like your podcast, right?
Nah, I'm not even like a thousand subscribers yet, bro.
Oh, really?
It's
That's crazy because I've heard of this podcast several times. Like,
yes, cause like I had stopped and I was going a lot, then I had stopped and then I'm
uh,
starting up again. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
so why'd
yeah,
you
bro.
stop? Did you get busy?
Bro, yes, bro, cause like during the summer was good, bro.
Thanks.
Like editing, like that's how I got like to like buy that, buy the monitor, buy the laptop and stuff. Cause I got like a whole new like system, bro.
Yeah,
I had a MacBook, and it was like it was old. It was no, it was like 2021, but like it didn't have enough RAM. You know what I mean? But summer,
yeah,
I was working like crazy, bro. I made like a decent amount of money, bro. So like
that's
I was
good.
able to like buy like this whole thing, bro. Like
So all that is like off of money that you've made from the podcast.
yeah, no, not from podcast. No, no. So so what it is like I started the podcast because I just wanted to like talk to like Jamaican athletes and get them out there. You know what I mean? Because like my thing is like, bro, like you see how Americans are, like how you guys are like tech savvy, I guess. We are not.
Yeah,
Yeah, we are not. You know what I mean? So we don't like get
yeah,
ourselves
I've
out there.
noticed that a little bit,
Yeah, bro.
especially people that come straight from Jamaica. What's up?
Yeah, bro. So like I'm trying to get us out there to like, man, you're a cat person, bro. Shit.
I do have a cat. Yeah, her name's Cece.
Yeah, I mean cats are. I have a dog. Her name's Nova. I'm tired of her.
Nova. Oh,
Yeah,
my girlfriend has a cat. His name's Nora.
Nora. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So like
So
yeah,
pretty
so like
close.
I try to like get us out there and whatnot, but like what happened was like I had messed up a video, so I just had to like figure out how to piece together, and then from there I just kind of learned how to edit, and I just got like athletes here and there, and I just
Mm.
started yeah getting my stuff out there. People liked it, and that's kind of how it is. Like right
Yeah.
now, like yeah, I have like two good clients right now that pays my bills. It's nice.
I mean, that's
It's
really all you need is like a couple
dude,
good ones, and then that's
yeah, bro.
all.
And it's like, bro, it's weird because like I went to school and I'm not even using my degree. I'm like, what I go to school for?
Yeah,
Yeah, bro.
yeah.
Like,
I feel like
it's
that's pretty common, honestly.
yeah, bro.
Because also, like, I feel like people go to college, they don't really know what they want to do yet. They have to like choose what
Exactly.
they want to do before they even know. Then they end
Yeah.
up not using their degree. I see all the time people go back to school when they
Oh, I'm
actually
not doing
figure
that shit.
out what they want to
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
Me either. I'll never go back to school. As
No.
soon as I'm
Did,
done
did,
with school, I'm out of here.
did you know what you want to do? Same thing. Same thing.
I
Same
just want
shit, bro.
all I care about is track right now. Like I'm just see how far I can take it, and then after that,
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, maybe getting some like coaching stuff. Maybe I feel like I got a lot of skills from like doing all the NIL stuff. I got to like negotiate and stuff too.
Yes.
So
That's
I've
good.
actually got quite a bit of skills from that. So I feel like I can
Yeah.
put that to use
Hell
for
yeah. You could
sure.
be an agent. Never fucking know.
Could
You
be.
never know.
Yeah,
You
I
never
feel like I
know.
made some good connections too, just being around the track space.
Yeah. Do you want to stay in Iowa after you're done with college?
I would love to get out and see the world a little bit before I like settle down and start a family and stuff.
Yeah,
'Cause I've
no,
been
I'm
in
talking
Iowa
about
my
like
whole life.
training and stuff, bro. I'm talking about
Oh,
training.
training?
Yeah, not like, oh my God.
I'm so conflicted because like I love my coach and like we have a like Coach Woody like we have like a great relationship. Like he can just read me. Like
Yeah,
he just like knows me. Like I
hell
don't even have
yeah.
to say anything to him. Like if I'm ever feeling anything, he can pick it out and
Yeah,
like he can we can adjust my training. And he just knows like how my body like works and how my body reacts to training, what I need to feel good. So like I am kind of nervous because if I went somewhere else, I would have to find a different coach.
yeah.
So
Whole
I'm kind of
masseuse,
nervous
all that.
about that. Exactly, exactly. But I would also love to, train somewhere where I could be outside all year round. I I don't really like training inside. Like I feel like I get banged up,
Yeah,
and I there's ways around it. Like we do a good job managing it and finding ways to do it safely.
yeah,
But it just feels like we're working around it. You know what I'm
yeah.
saying? Instead of really hitting it. Like in the
Hammering it.
fall, like I feel like I can just let it rip every day.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I have to be so careful in the winter because I have to be inside.
So that's
But
why.
I don't want to complain. Like you
No,
know what I'm
no, no,
saying?
no, no, no. You don't gotta complain. No, it's all good. I get what you're saying, but like that's why you kind of like strict on like your warm up, like you because you know you've experienced like what it can be if you don't like stay on ball.
Exactly. Now if I'm in like Florida or like Jamaica, like
Yeah,
90 degrees, like I don't really gotta be so careful. Like I'm warm.
yeah,
I
right.
get warm pretty easily.
Yeah,
Yeah. But like right now I have to walk over. Like if we had practice tomorrow, I have to walk to practice, and it's negative 14 degrees.
yeah.
Like, but I don't want people to see this and not want to come to Iowa because of that. Like,
No, 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 no.
there's
Iowa's great. No, no,
so many
Iowa's
great
great.
things about
Yeah,
Iowa.
yeah,
Like, this is so nitpicky.
yeah.
But like
No,
when you're talking about like at the professional level,
yeah,
like if I'm competing against guys that are going to be like practicing in like 70 degrees plus all year round,
yeah.
that's quite the disadvantage. Like if I'm up north
Exactly.
in the
Yeah,
cold, you know what I'm
exactly.
saying? So
Yeah,
like from like a competitive standpoint, it probably makes sense to go down south at some point.
yeah.
I don't know. I'm not worried about that right now.
Nah, yeah,
You know what
nah.
I'm saying?
Enjoy it.
Yeah,
Collegiate, man. So
exactly.
you trying to. I mean, I know you're trying to win indoor, but like, you got like a time in mind you want to win with, or you just kind of like, whatever comes, as long as it's gold, I'm good.
Well, man, I don't know. I don't like to put times on it because then it makes me like try to chase
Okay,
it.
don't do it. Don't do it.
But
Don't even do it.
I feel like I ran 6:51 twice 2 years ago.
Yeah.
2 years ago, and I was running like I think like was it 10:0? I think I was still at like 10:18 when I was running that. Like my
Oh
100 has
shit.
gotten so much faster since then.
Yeah.
I just haven't ran a 60 yet. So I feel like I have a lot of time to shave
Room.
off. Like
Yeah.
maybe I don't run like anything too crazy this weekend, like first meet out.
Yeah.
Like
No, that's cool.
maybe I get a rust buster. But I feel like I can really get down to 6'4" lows. 6'3" might be like a crazy good race.
Yeah.
But I feel like that's not like out of the ballpark. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like if I get the right scenario and I'm feeling really good, I feel like I can line up something crazy. Really do.
Yeah. I think so too. I ain't gonna hold you, man. I think so
Yeah.
too. Yeah.
Yeah. I just look at like going to outdoors and I'm just like busting people through 60 meters every meet. And
Hell yeah.
like, and that was when I had my knee problem. Now I got it cleaned up. I'm healthy now.
So did you like
So,
feel that like in your knees or something? Like what
oh
was
yeah. Like,
really?
I should send you, I'm gonna send you some videos and maybe you can like put it over the
Yeah, I made clips
podcast
and
or
stuff.
something.
Yeah, yeah, I got you. Yeah.
I had to like change my blocks. Like, instead of like pushing with both feet like you're supposed to,
Yeah.
I could only push with one leg because my knee was like just busted on this side. So I
Damn.
leaned into my front leg because I was a good leg,
Yeah.
and I got to show you like I was so leaned over my front leg, and I was like all twisted up in the blocks.
Yeah.
That's just how I figured out how it could work. Like I just found a way to make it work.
Yeah.
Because like if I did it normally, I would take a step with my right leg and my hips would pop right up, and I
Mm.
would be out of my drive phase.
Yeah.
So I had to really like find a way to get around that. I figured it out. I think it got better as the year went on, but I was feeling it all year. Like until I got it cleaned up, it was hurting all
Damn.
year.
How long did it take for you to heal?
It pretty much just the summer. Like
Summer?
I
Okay,
got
that's
the I
cool.
got the surgery right after NCs. I was
Yeah,
back like maybe like a few weeks after fall training started. I really didn't miss much. Yeah.
that's cool. Hell yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
So, okay,
No.
last question before I get out of here. Before I ask
All
you for
right.
your advice and stuff. In the gym, bro. I know you said like, you it's clean 240 for three.
Yeah. Last week I did. Yeah.
What do you squat?
Well, last week I squatted I think 355 for three
We talk about full squat or like box squat?
full squat.
Oh shit, good for you.
So yeah, I don't know. It's like I feel like if I really maxed out, like I could probably get up to over 4 bills, but that would
Yeah,
be like I
damn.
feel like that would be pretty tough on my back. Like I'm 140
Yeah,
pounds. Like keep that in
yeah,
mind. Like that stuff is like it hurts to do it. Like
yeah.
unless I'm feeling like really good. Like if I feel
Yeah,
like 7 out of 10, that stuff hurts, man.
yeah, yeah.
But I
I
do
used
it.
to,
Like I get stronger for it, so that's all good. But
I used to love the gym. Not so much no, bro. I like doing like hills and stuff now, bro. I have not
yeah,
looked at the gym, bro. I'm not.
I
I
I
don't know
don't
why.
blame you. I think I've kind of taken it a little bit easier in the gym this year
Hmm.
because like I'm just trying to stay healthy because like I don't know if it's part of me is just like scared of getting hurt because that's my last season. Like
Yeah,
there's no going back to college after this year.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
if I get hurt, I would rather take like a B plus season
yeah.
than chase an A plus season, get hurt, and have a C minus season.
That's
You
a
know what I'm
good. That's a
saying?
good way to look at it for real. That's a
Yeah,
good way to
I'll
look
just
at
take
it.
I'll take a good season right now. I feel like a good season for me right now. I'll still be able to get all my goals. I feel like it's just I'm ready for it.
Yeah,
I'm just ready.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think you are, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. One more. Last question. Last question.
All right.
Mount Rushmore, Iowa. Don't matter gender. Who you got?
Oh, all sports.
All sports.
Caitlin Clark, number one
Okay.
by far, by far. Um, then man,
It's a tough one.
I think I got to go Luca Garza. Do you even know who that
Luca?
is?
No.
He won the National Player of the Year. Like
Oh my
you got to have a
god.
basketball player on there. You got to have one. Got to have one
Okay.
on there,
Okay. All
and
right.
you got to have a football player. You got to have a football player. Um, man, I guess now Kinnick because the stadium's built after him. He got the
You put
Heisman.
Kennick on there? What's that
He
dude?
got. I mean,
What's the name?
I'm gonna
If I
get
was
four
gonna put a
people. Like you know what I'm
yeah.
saying?
Okay. Let me hear. Let me hear.
Uh, I feel like if it was for track, I would be a good candidate.
Yeah.
Let me think. I think it would be Spencer Lee for wrestling. He's
Spencer
like
Lee.
so big. He's so big. Like
So we gonna skip over Brittany Brown and log into Saga,
okay, if you said track, yes, that would be like my number one,
but
two,
those are your top four for Iowa.
top four for hour. Yeah,
Okay, I can respect it.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I haven't heard
I
about
mean,
Spencer Lee in a while, but hey, shit.
Spencer Lee. I mean, like they just love wrestling in Iowa. Like
Yeah, I know.
it's crazy. Did you ever go to a wrestling meet when you were here?
Yeah, I had to. He was fucking Spencer Lee, bro. Come on, bro. He was like the guy. He
Dude,
was the
he's the
guy.
guy. He's the
Yeah,
guy.
he was
This
the
dude's like
guy.
he's like famous here. It's crazy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But
I can
that would
respect
I
that.
mean that there is a lot of good athletes in Iowa, though, key. Really. Now
Yeah,
that I think
I
about
wouldn't
it.
put Kinnick though. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I ain't gonna put
Also, just
Kinnick there.
the stadium's built after him
I
and
get it, but like he's
the
so like
Heisman.
I mean, I get it, bro.
Brittany
I just
Brown, oh man. Oh man. For track, definitely Brittany Brown and Loggy, for sure.
yeah.
For
I would
sure.
if let me tell you if I was gonna do a football, I'll put fucking Tristan Wirth over him.
Worse, yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Wirfs. Yeah, I'll definitely put him.
Over Kinnick?
Yes, because of recency bias. Recency bias.
I mean
That's just it.
he's insane. He's insane.
Yeah, yeah.
He's crazy.
This is what.
He was a
Yeah.
track guy too. You know that?
Huh?
He was a track guy too. He threw like I think discus.
Really?
He was like multiple time state champ. Like he was
I didn't know
crazy.
that. I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
that dude's an athlete, like
Yeah.
crazy athlete. They got a lot of good guys. They got Kittle and they got Hawkinson in the league right now.
Yeah.
A lot of tight ends.
They ain't do good this year, bro. Shit was
No,
ass. Shit was ass. Yeah.
they'll bounce back.
Yeah. Huh?
They'll bounce back. They'll bounce back.
Yeah. I mean, they need some money, bro.
Hey,
Telling
Texas
you
Tech
right
did
now,
decent this year.
bro. They got money. There you
But they
go.
got because they got the oil money. That's how they got it.
Yeah, yeah, bro. Like, and you can
They
see
got
the difference.
well, they just got like this basketball player for like I don't know how much they paid her, but she's like 7 foot something. She's
I
like
don't
the
know,
tallest basketball player.
bro. I want to know how much they paid her too, bro.
Well, I know they paid that one softball player like multiple $1 million.
$1 million. A
That's
million.
crazy for
Yeah,
for softball. Is like I mean softball is cool, but
but
like
apparently she's like
that's
the
like
best.
football money. I feel like she definitely is the best. Like
Yeah.
she
So
I mean she took them all the way. They
yeah,
didn't win, I don't think, but
yeah.
she
No, I
took
didn't.
she took them there like pretty much on her
Yeah,
own.
that shit. That shit crazy. Like what you're saying though is real. Like earlier, like NIL makes you want to stay in college, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, bro.
It
It really,
definitely does.
if I'm
There's
making a
people
million
that should be
dollars,
pro right now that are in college
oh yeah,
because they have
hell
NIL
yeah,
deals.
hell
Yeah,
yeah.
a lot of
Like
people.
I wish they put like a cap on like football though, because like it's they getting way too much money, bro. Like they making way too much. Like I don't know.
Yeah,
I
it
ain't
ain't
gonna
even about social media to them. It's that's like directly like pay for play. Like I
yeah,
don't even know why they try to like say it's not. They literally
yeah.
will recruit them, paying them money.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
millions of dollars, bro. Millions of dollars.
this it's the collectives. That's where it comes from. We got collectives too.
Oh for
I
real?
I I had done stuff with them. Yeah, it's called the Swarm. The
Mm,
football and basketball do it a lot. Wrestling does it some,
mm.
but yeah,
Yeah,
that's where the donors. That's where their money goes. They
we
get a
have.
collective.
I don't remember what it's called. We have the collective, but we also have this other one. It's called something Raider something. I remember. And now they added Patrick Mahomes to it because what's the name?
Oh
One of
damn!
our athletes have it, bro. Yeah, yeah,
The
bro. Like,
the track gets it.
yeah, yeah.
Dang,
Fucking Malachi Snow, a hurdler.
he got it.
I think you raced him. You beat him. You beat him, right?
Yeah, he was in my sub 10
At
race. Yeah,
at A&M, right?
yeah. He
Yeah,
dude, he just like fell in the hurdles right before, walked back, and then ran the
yeah,
100. That was
yeah.
crazy.
I think he's a better sprinter than he's a hurdler, but whatever, man. I don't.
He's a pretty damn good hurdler too, though. I'm not
He
gonna lie.
is. He
That guy's
is,
a
but
that guy's an athlete.
yeah, he is,
Hey,
man.
props to
But
him. Big ups to Malachi Snow.
yeah, bro. So yeah, he has the Patrick Mahomes stuff. Yeah, man, that shit is crazy, bro. I'm finna have him on
I
too. But
bet
yeah,
you
coach,
should. You should.
no,
I'm
I
surprised
am,
you
but
haven't yet.
fucking, I don't want to say fucking the wrong way, but like Coach Rob and Coach G, they only want me to talk to certain athletes after a certain point. So
All
I
right, so they
gotta,
can just lock in.
yeah, yeah. So
I like Coach Rob. He's cool. He got the beard, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Bald head and the beard. Yeah,
yeah,
I like him a lot. I talked to him about all the meets. It's pretty cool. I like all your coaches. If I was ever to transfer, I think I would probably go to Tech.
I mean,
Really.
I don't see where else you'd go, bro. Like,
I mean, really, the coaches are cool. That's really the main reason why.
yeah, no, they're really cool, bro. They're very cool. I ain't gonna lie, it's still business. Let me tell you that right now. It's still fucking
Oh yeah,
business, but
I know. Yeah, I'm sure.
yeah, yeah, but they're really cool, bro. They're
Yeah,
really cool, man.
yeah. Big ups to them for
Yeah,
sure.
we just got fucking Tate. What's the name? Tate Taylor or whatever.
Oh, that guy's
Yo,
gonna be a monster.
oh my
Oh my!
god. Oh
I've
my
never
god.
seen anything like that. I'm not gonna
Yo,
lie.
yeah, he's special. He's special. But
He's
money
like
talks.
tall too.
Yeah, yeah,
He's got a lot of frame to like grow
yeah,
as
bro.
well. Like I feel like I can only get so fast because I'm just like I'm limited by my height.
I don't believe
Like
that because, like, listen, I'm saying, sorry to keep this going, but like Adam, bro,
oh, yeah, I'm talking. Yeah, I'm
before
sorry.
Adam came here, I didn't know he was that fucking slow, bro. Like Adam came here and got really fucking fast, bro. I
Yeah,
don't
he went
think
like ten
frame
one.
matters. Yeah, I don't think frame matters, bro. I think as you can go as far as you want to go, bro.
I
I
mean,
get what you're
what's his
saying.
name? Oblique Seville is like 5'6", I think, something like that.
Exactly. He's tiny. You ever seen him? His frame is like actually tiny,
I've
bro.
never
Like,
seen him in person.
yeah, he's tiny, tiny dude. He got knock knee and everything. Like, you know, I'm talking about, yeah, he's not knee. Yeah, bro. So like, I don't think that shit matters, bro. Once you got it, you just got it, bro. Because even I don't know if you know Akeem Blake. He's like one of our athletes also. He's
Yeah,
small.
I'm racing him at Milrose.
Oh,
Yeah, that'd be a good one.
yeah, but yeah, he's
I gotta get sharp this weekend so I can be ready for that, man.
yeah. Because Terrence gonna run this weekend at
Is he gonna run Milrose?
no, I don't know. I know he's doing New Balance
Yeah, I
because
saw
that's why he
that.
ran last week. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I don't know if he's doing Melrose.
All I've
We'll
seen
see.
at Milrose is Jordan Anthony, Hakeem
Okay.
Blake, and Marcellus Moore. But I know there's only just like one final. It's not a prelim.
Oh,
So like,
okay.
It's only like four of the people
But usually, what's the name come and run there? Noah.
at Milrose.
Yeah, he usually runs at Melrose. He runs at usually opens up. He plays the same cards. I don't know if he's playing the different cards this year. He opens up with some. Usually opens with 60, but this year there's a 300. He's gonna go to New Balance, and I think he always goes to Mil. Is it Milrose? I don't know. Is Milrose in New York?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he goes to Milrose. Well, don't see.
Well,
Is
I don't know if
Trayvon
he's
not
going
going?
this year because they would be posting that like crazy.
That's true.
Same
That's
with
true.
Trayvon. They haven't posted anything about him yet,
He's not
so
going.
I doubt it. I haven't seen the whole entries, but I feel like if he was going, they would post
They would
it
have
like a
posted.
lot.
Yeah, that's
They would.
true.
He would have been a headliner over
Yeah,
probably over Jordan Anthony and Akeem Blake and
yeah,
uh,
that's
Marcellus
true.
Moore for sure.
That's
They didn't
true.
post me either though. I posted it myself.
No, it's okay. Iowa posted you, bro. That shit was crazy. I was like, bro, Tech
Yeah.
is not doing that. That's for sure. Tech is not doing that, bro.
I feel like
Yeah,
it's uncommon. It's kind of rare for like college athletes to go to like Milrose or like a
yeah,
New Balance or something.
yeah. Very
So
rare.
I'm
That's why I
very
thought you were
grateful
like,
for that opportunity.
yeah. That's why I thought you were like done. It's like, what?
Nope.
You're in college
Yeah.
still?
Yeah, I'll be wearing my Iowa jersey
Oh, you
at
are?
Milrose. Yeah.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Good branding.
Good branding. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Get some more recruits.
yeah.
We
Yes,
got to
yeah.
keep
You
up with
might.
those tech guys.
Hey, not
Hopefully
unless
they'll be
Iowa's
keeping up.
coming.
They'll be trying to keep up with us this year.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. What's an advice you'd give like your freshman self? Freshman, not even freshman. Senior year, your high school self.
Um, I think my high school self. I think I did a good job learning and just adjusting and just taking in all the information and working hard. But I think one place where I really like didn't have it was like my faith. Like I really didn't have like my faith wasn't there. Like I didn't like I would run and like I just felt like everything was my fault. And like if I did bad, it was my fault. I still kind of feel that way and I'm still growing, but like now I'm like, all right, whether I win or lose, like I'm just gonna do my best and I'm just gonna let God, take care of the rest. You know what I'm saying? And
Yeah.
I'm just gonna lean on him, and that's made it a lot easier for me to like train and just feel comfortable. And it's just, I mean, it's made me a better man outside of track too. So like, I think just growing in my faith, that would be something that I really would tell my freshman self. That's somewhere I've really grown a lot. It's been big for
Yeah.
me. So
I ain't gonna lie, you're a like chill dude, bro. Like how you look on Instagram and same way you like talking, like yeah,
I
you're
do
chill, bro.
when I'm competing, like I'm like a different person. Like that's just like I don't know.
Yeah. You
You're
get
probably
like
the same way,
aggressive?
honestly. I don't know if aggressive is the right word. I'm just like dialed. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
I'm dialed. And then I get very pumped up after I see a good performance. You know what I'm
Oh hell yeah.
saying? Like I just it's like an overwhelming amount of emotion. You're probably the same
Mm.
way. I bet everybody's the same
Oh,
way.
oh yeah, for sure, for sure.
Yeah, you see a big PR, man, nothing like it.
Let
Nothing
me
like
ask you,
it.
what means more to you? I know I want to get done. Sorry, but like the nine or winning Big Tens.
That's a good question. I hadn't won Big Tens yet, but I feel like I was good enough to do it.
You
Like
didn't
I
win Big
feel like
Tens?
I hadn't won it in the 100 or the 60. I haven't won an individual event yet. That was my first one. I always
Oh,
could get second or third.
okay, yeah.
I should show you the stack of medals I have, but I didn't have any gold yet. So that was
Okay,
pretty meaningful that I got my first one.
yeah,
But even like the last few years, I felt like I was ready to win it, but it just didn't line up, or I didn't run
yeah,
well, or whatever. Which I guess is part of growing as an athlete, is just
yeah.
being able to run well at the right times. But that
So
felt good. But like I feel like the nine was more impactful.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying? But if I wouldn't have won Big Tens, that would have been.
that
I
would have been
mean,
like a bummer.
that would have been a very big bummer for sure.
Yeah. How
Yeah,
many rings do you have?
like Big Ten rings,
Yeah, or Iowa rings? I don't even know.
three. I got three.
Three. Okay.
Yeah, I got one for the team championship, one for the 100, one for a 4x1. I think I have another one too. Actually, I think I have four. I don't know. They're all in a box back home. I don't
Yeah,
know.
that's all good, man. You ain't count those, man. We're looking forward.
Exactly. I'm trying to
Yeah,
get the trophy, the big old gold trophy.
yeah. Oh, you ain't got one of those.
I got a silver one.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Okay, okay,
I
okay.
got a silver one. I got
Yeah,
second that one year.
yeah. That's
Yeah,
nice.
Terrence beat me. Terrence beat me.
Yeah, he looks good this year. I ain't gonna hold you, bro.
That's good. I feel like he had kind of a down year last year. I
Yeah, it
I was
was.
a big advocate for him. I'm like, this guy's gonna be the next Usain Bolt. He's running 6:45. He's like 6'4", six something like. Dude, this
Yeah,
guy's insane. He shouldn't be moving like this. And then he kind of had a
yeah.
down year, and I was like, man, I wonder what's going on.
It always happens, bro. I mean, I could get you to talk to him honestly, but like he'll tell you. I don't really want to speak, but like changing and training. You know what I mean? But he went back to like what works. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I hope
He
the
was just
best for him.
heavy,
That dude has tons of potential.
bro.
I
Bro,
hate that he
so
got
talented.
hurt after. I mean, he just probably got ran in the ground after
No,
NC's
he's actually very
indoors.
fragile.
Like
He's
I'm
very
talking about, like when he got hurt when he was at
uh,
Tech. I
yeah.
feel like he just got pounded from indoors because he won this 60 and 200
Yeah,
double.
no, but I'm saying outside of that, like he's very fragile. Like he's the
He
type
gets
of
hurt a
guy
lot.
like no, he doesn't get hurt. I guess you could say that, but not really. Like you have to like you can't train him the same way as you train everybody.
Mm,
Yeah. Like I guess he's kind of like you. He cannot like handle the heavy stuff. Like the heavy
yeah.
stuff ties him up, like tightens him up and stuff.
Hmm.
Yeah, he's
He's
not
always
that
like
guy.
adjusting his training a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah.
Yeah,
I
I
like
see
or
it.
like
Nothing
say
wrong
you
with
have
that.
like yeah, no, nothing wrong with it, but it's different. I have a video in here. I have a video in my phone. I forgot. I didn't want to post it on TikTok because it's kind of like fucked up. Um, you ever seen Django
Django.
Django on
Oh,
on
yeah,
chain?
the movie. The movie.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you know the
Yeah.
scene when he's like, Django is a free man. You can't treat him like every other nigga. Yeah. So I had a video when he was resting, bro. Everybody else was running. I made that video. You can't train him like every other nigga because he's not like the other niggas. I thought it was funny, but I
That's
couldn't post it.
hilarious. Can
Yeah.
I laugh at that? Is that racist?
I don't know. I couldn't post it because the coaches said no because it was funny to me, bro. I was like, this is like, nigga, everybody else was running. He was just like, just standing there, like, standing there. I was
Oh
like,
my god.
yeah, like, but it's true though. Like, yeah, you can't like train like everybody else. Like, yeah, so, but it's working now. He ran
Yeah,
6'5".
hopefully. I mean, yeah, since you got the change in training, so now
Yeah,
it's hopefully gonna be the same now. So
yeah,
hopefully he can
yeah.
dial in.
Hopefully, man. Hopefully, I ran up again, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah, that'll
Yeah.
be
Well,
nice.
if he goes to Millrose, I'll see him there. He's gonna run this
Yeah,
weekend, I think, at New Balance. So
yeah. He run this weekend.
see how he
Yeah, that's gonna be
does.
nice. Yeah, but for sure. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
Kalen. Where'd you get your name, by the way?
I get my name from my
Who named
parents.
you? Your mom or your... No, I mean, I get that, but like, who named you? Your mom or your dad? Do you know?
I don't even know.
You
Probably
don't
my
know.
mom.
Okay.
My dad
Yeah,
probably won't care.
it sounds like something your mom would name you. That's why I was
You
asking.
don't even know my mom.
I
Like,
don't know your mom. I'm just saying the name looks so like not manly. That's what I'm saying. I would name my son Kalen. What are
oh
you
my
talking?
gosh.
Oh, you know what I mean, bro. Come on, man. Like,
Wow.
okay. Like for example, would you name your daughter Tony? No.
No.
That's what I'm saying. You know what I
I
mean?
actually
Like,
know girls that are named Tony, but it's like weird. Like,
that's what I'm saying.
yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah.
but what? Yeah.
Shoot,
Right,
maybe I
man.
should change my name.
Nah, man.
I changed to like Jamarcus or something.
See, now that's racist. That right
No,
there.
no, hey, cut this out, bro. Cut that
I know,
out.
I ain't cutting it
Cut
out.
that out. Cut it
No,
out.
no,
Cut
it's
it
cool,
out.
it's cool, it's cool, nah, it's cool, it's cool. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool.
If Aaron Brown sees this, I'm cooked.
Nah, man. He be alright.
Hopefully, he didn't watch the whole video.
Yeah, hopefully not. Hopefully not.
He loves making
Right,
videos
man.
about me, man.
Huh?
Yeah, I said he loves making videos about me.
Oh, for real? Damn.
Yeah.
Damn. Hopefully it's not nothing bad, bro. But he talks a lot of bad shit, so. Yeah.
That's what he does.
Yeah. Right, bro. Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
Good luck this season. Good luck to the
Appreciate it.
Hawkeyes, for sure.
Yes, sir. Thanks
Sounds
for
like you
having me,
work.
man.
Oh, yeah, for sure. What are you talking about, man?
Yeah,
I
this is
had to.
great.
I had to, man. I had to.
We're going to have to catch up at some meets or something at some point.
Oh, yeah. If it's probably more outdoor than anything else, bro.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out this indoor season because it's gonna be weird because there's not many like meets, not like that, but like I work with like some athletes and the pro ones they're not gonna go to like a lot of meets this year because like there's no world champs, but we'll see what
Mhm.
happens. You know?
Hey, outdoors is all that matters anyway. Indoors is just, this is
Yeah,
fun. Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't travel indoor because all the meets are fucking here. You know what I mean? So I ain't going nowhere. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
exactly. Every single
Yeah,
weekend.
yeah, yeah. Right, bro. Appreciate it. Stay warm.
Yes, sir.
Good
Try my
luck.
best. Thank you.
Yeah, bro.